Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Drive and Find. Today I'm taking you on a ride to discover a gem. Drum roll please, it's Wadi Shawka. Let's begin our journey with a scenic drive through this lush area surrounded by mountains. If you appreciate scenery, this is a drive you will undoubtedly enjoy. You'll see water flowing through the sides every now and then. The sound of nature and crisp air are already energizing. This place is an hour drive from Dubai, so I'd say leave from your home by at most 1 or 2 p.m. so you have enough time to enjoy during the daytime as well as night. Down the slope is where we're headed. You can see there are restrooms as well as a mosque at the start itself. There's a good amount of parking. You can park your car here and walk your way up to the park or sit by the stream, which I'll show you in a bit. So this is the stream I was talking about. You can sit by the stream and enjoy the nature. There are these sort of little huts at the mountains, so if you arrive here early, you might be lucky enough to catch it. Okay, now let's walk to the park. There are some of these huts next to the park as well. There are 2 cafes here as well where you can get some refreshments and a 2 dirham karak tea. Now let's head to the park. Up this way is the park. And finally, this is the park. You can do camping on the grass and the children can play. So this is the view at the night. Many people here enjoy camping by the stream at night. So if you're one of those, you'll have a good time here. Okay, so now we're leaving. On our way back to home, we have stopped at this Arabic restaurant to have luqaimat. There are many restaurants here. I'll leave the location of this place as well as Wadi Shawka in the description. Here we got to meet the owner of the restaurant. They and their staff are very welcoming. They have a very nice seating area. And like I said, they're very welcoming. They welcome you with black coffee and some dates. And the prices are reasonable. Luqaimat is just for 10 dirham. And that's our delicious hot luqaimat. For those of you who don't know, luqaimat is an Arabic dessert. It's crunchy outside and soft inside, close to a donut. It's basically fried dough balls topped with sesame seeds and date syrup. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.